Quick Tesla update here on the 5th. So they literally finished this in a spot where it could go either way. Nothing's obvious. Very ambiguous spot. So let's go ahead and go over where I was at yesterday. We had 1, 2, 3. Why did I think this is a third wave? It hit past the 1.61 fib, hit the outside of the parallel line, looked like a third wave. Instead, it comes higher today. Invalidation for this being a fourth wave, or not being a fourth wave, is at 255.63. They took it to 255.31. And then they also took it to the 1.61 fib, which is right here. So that means this could either be 1, 2, 3 or ABC. So tomorrow we find out, is this going to be right here going to be ABC, or is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Could be either one. So it can literally go either way. They finished it right at the spot where either way makes sense. Because again, this broke the parallel line to the upside. This could end up being 5 waves up. So tomorrow we find out. Which way am I leaning? I'd probably lean down. Only reason I say that is because there are gaps to the downside and there are no gaps to the upside. The only gap to the upside is at 290, and I don't think this is going to 290 anytime soon. So I would lean down. You have a gap here at 243, and you have a gap here at 214. Again, the overall count that I have, it's very ambiguous right now. I've said that before. I think we're in a B wave overall. So I think there's going to be a lot of chop back and forth over the next 3-4 months, potentially. But I do think that the most likely scenario is we come down here to 214 by December, by the start of December, and then rise maybe through January into February, dip, and then take off after that. So right now they finished it at a spot where we'll see what happens tomorrow. We obviously have the election tonight, and then we have the Fed on Wednesday. That's another reason why I'm not going to be super bullish or super bearish, because who knows what's going to happen with those. But I think that in the overall market, we're going to get a very, very clear picture of what's going on Thursday. I don't think anybody really has a good grasp on what's going to happen. I think the most likely scenario for the market is it rises. I know I said this will go down, but I think there's a chance this comes down to 237 and then bounces into OPEX. So, and then we get like a move up here into OPEX and then come down into early December. That's my most likely scenario. But who knows what's going to happen with the election. If Kamala wins, maybe it tanks. Trump wins, maybe it takes off higher. We'll see. I'll be able to give a more confident analysis probably on Thursday, I would say. Even tomorrow might be kind of weird. However, on the short time frame, like I said, we can figure out if this is a 5-wave move to the upside or the downside tomorrow. Because one way or the other, it's breaking above 255.55 or 249. It's not going to stay between here. And so you're either going to get, one more time, you're getting something like that, or you're going to get something down here to 237. So that is the update on Tesla. That's all I'm going to say right now. I don't have a big position. I sold in that last pump, and I'm just kind of waiting it out and just trying to figure out, well, I'm trying to play ranges. If it pumps tomorrow, I'd probably start buying puts. If it tanks tomorrow, I'm probably going to buy calls or shares, one of the two. So we'll see how it goes. That's the update for now. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe for more updates. Catch you in the next video.